Oh my god, what? Okay, anyways, guys. Hey, this is Mini. My friend Hania here will do big four face reveal. Please stop. She's just. Okay, anyways, she better tag me in this video. If she doesn't, I can tell all of you to unsubscribe from her. Anyways, ooh. Anyways, so let me just stand up here. Ah! Let me take over the video. Wait, now. Okay, now Tanya will be voicing. Come on, say something. Okay. Hi guys, so it's me. I'm finally. Okay, just cut to the part where I'm starting to roll. Okay, so do this. You can just do how you are, okay? Go. So what? This? Uh, once upon a day, a cat, an unnamed cat, which was a loner slash wild cat, was captured by tulip. The tulips were cruel and nice and kind. The cat was just been captured. The cat was just been captured. The cat is very hesitant to go near the tulips. Oh my god, what is happening over there? Damn. Oh wow, damn. Anyways, okay. She's hesitant to let the tulips go quickly. But finally, the tulips opened the gate for her. Wow. Um, wow. She was sleeping. While she's sleeping, the tulips have opened the factory door for her. The door's not open. I'll take over now. When she woke up, she crawled out of the cage and then walked over to a certain place. Yes, place. She goes over to sniff the food. She sniffs the food and you start eating it. God, you're so bad. It's laggy. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, my friend Tanya will recording it now. Better you know what to say. Okay. So she started eating the food, but her the two legs, bro. I just got kicked out the day. Okay, just cut the camera. We'll be back. Okay, open it. Okay, let me just join another server. So guys, I can't do I can't finish. You'll do it later, but yeah. You have to tag me. You have to post this video, okay, Hania? Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, bye bye. No, I just don't tell I'm not gonna post this video. Are you? No, no, no.